So would you say that you're a workaholic? I ask you this because ramai anak muda bangga. Diorang bangga saya dapat bekerja or mereka mahu bekerja sampai 10-12 jam in a day. Kan? So they're like, no, I work hard. They're proud of it, which is also a good thing, you know. So does that consider them a workaholic? You consider yourself a workaholic? Because hustle culture ni, it's almost become like a trend. Like, you know, we gotta hustle, you know. Tapi tanpa sedar ramai yang they start to have insomnia, they can't sleep,
Betul.
anxiety, gastric, tekanan darah tinggi like what you had. So in the end, even though they work really hard, which is fair enough because you want to see the results at the end of it, but the productivity starts to decline because of, so it has its pros and cons kan.
Mungkin peak sekejap tapi lepas tu dia turun dan sampai you dah body you dah tak boleh handle.
Yeah. So after you left the hospital, what was your tindakan you untuk elakkan masalah kesihatan ni berulang kembali? Did you learn your lesson?
Oh yes.
Was it enough to just take the medicine or did you change your whole lifestyle? Because I'm sure that can be difficult because again I asked for, do you consider yourself a workaholic? Because that's a serious thing. Because it's not something you can just change overnight, kan?